So guys, welcome back. If you are new, please do not forget to subscribe. I need you to just subscribe, to like, to share, and to comment, by the way. So a quick analysis on our pound PS for this week. Let's see where our pound might actually be moving for this week. So don't forget to subscribe. Now we are on our pound index, by the way. As you can see on our daily time frame now, as we can, if we are to analyze our pound, we can see that we are on an uptrend move. We actually got a bullish movement upward. We actually got a retracement. We've actually gotten a breakout, which means we actually our price breaks this former higher highs here, our former higher highs, our price breaks above it. Now we've actually got that retracement, right? Where do you think we are going? We're actually going bullish, by the way. So we are aiming to take bullish move, and let's see if possibly we can break below this our previous higher highs. And if not, then probably we should be able to hit it, giving us a double top. So if you have to take our buy position, that should be given to our giving us to our double top. That should be about 76 to 80 pips. I think let us say 80 pips. If you have to take our buy position, that is actually not a bad one to actually grab. So we are probably, if we hit our double top, if it's we are able to go up and give us a double top, then that should be about 76 to 80 pips. And if we break above it, then you should be aiming to 100 pips. So this week we are aiming for a bullish move on our 4-hour time frame. When you see our price is actually still going up, as you can see, we are trying to go bullish. So above all, our index is trying to go give us a bullish move. So let's see if our our bullish pound will actually push up, hit this our area here. This previous where our price at this massive fall, right? If let's see if our price you had that bullish move to hit our area here before we can opt out of our profit. And if not, let's see our price will play out for this week. So above all, this week we are aiming bullish on our pound. So next one we have is the one we'll be looking at is our euro pound. And if you are going bullish on our pound, any other pair relating to our pound should be falling, right? If our pound is actually going up, then if you are to trade any pair relating to our pound, then we should actually be going shorting it down. So above all, let's see our euro will actually be falling. Let's see our euro fall hits this our liquidity area here. We saw this where we saw this massive push down of week, then we actually now saw this push up, right? So let's see if our price will actually hit this our liquidity area here before we actually now see that push up. So that is exactly what we are aiming for on our euro pound. So our euro pound we should actually be seeing a fall on our euro pound. So our pound will actually be going bullish while our euro will actually be falling. As you can see on our daily time 4-hour time frame, we are actually planning to take our sell position. That should be about this our liquidity here. That should be about 60 pips. And if you can grab 60 pips, I think that would be okay, by the way, which is actually not bad, by the way. So that's exactly what we are aiming for this week. Now our pound odd, by the way, as you can see, we are trying to aim bullish on our pound odd. Let's see if our pound will actually give us bullish, it's this our break, breakout whereby our price is giving us this, is it false breakout or just bullish move upward. Let's see if our price will be able to hit this support area whereby our price has served as a support. That should be about, wow, that is 100 plus piece, 118 pips or so. That should be 110 pips, by the way. If you have to go, you have to take our buy position, that should be able to grab 110 pips for this week. So we want to be going bullish on our odd pound odd, by the way, for our 4-hour time frame. Same thing with our daily time frame is still showing us. Let us try and take a bullish move on our pound odd. Next one is our pound New Zealand. As you can see, we are actually getting this retracement, right? We're actually going bullish move. We are actually going bullish, but we've actually gotten the retracement. Now what are we aiming for? A bullish move on our pound odd, by the way. Let's see if we're able to take our pound up, to break above this our previous higher highs. If our pound odd can actually break our previous higher highs, then we are actually good to go for this week. Our 4-hour time frame too, same thing. we're actually going trying to take bullish move. But let's see here, as we can see, we'll be seeing a rejection here around this area here. Let's see if you can get a little bit of drop before you actually take your buy position, because I would not advise you just take your buy. Let's see if a little bit of drop, a drop of about 10 to 20 pips, then you can actually not take your buy position. As you can see here, as serve giving us this ranging markets in the support area here. So let's see if our price hits our support and actually give us that bullish move. Now our pound card, I personally too probably will be staying away from this trade, but if I'm to take this trade, right, I'll be going bullish on it. Let's see if our pound card will be able to hit this our area here. Then we actually now can see now for, let's see, above all, we are aiming for a bullish move on our pound card on our 4-hour time frame. Same thing with my daily time frame. As you can see, if you are to hit this area here, let's see if our price can actually go up again, hit this area here, and see that fall on our pound card. As you can see here, has given us is resistance, right? Resistance pound at 4. Now we are actually getting our bullish move. Let's see if we hit our previous resistance level and actually now gets that 4 on our pound card. And lastly, our pound Swiss franc. I'm going bullish on our pound Swiss franc, by the way. Let's take our buy position straight upward, by the way. That should be able to grab about 140, I think 144 pips to grab if you are to take our buy position on our pound Swiss franc. I am going bullish on my pound Swiss franc, and if I'm to trade any pair relating to my pound, I will be trading pound Swiss franc, because it's it is super volatile and there are a lot of pips to grab, by the way. So I like volatile pairs, and where you need to grab a lot of pips. That's exactly the type of trade I would like to trade. So I personally will be taking pound Swiss franc trade for this week, by the way. And our 4-hour time frame is still showing us the same thing too, a bullish move upward. So that is my analysis for this week. If you find this my video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.